Okay, good morning. So, time to stretch. Morning. So, kanina, nakapag-warm up na tayo. So, as of now, yun nga, we will play with our nunchucks while we're on the balance board. So, syempre, maganda ng dalawa para pantay. Okay? So, as you can see, guys, first of all, syempre, warm up is to stretch your arms. At least mga 10 seconds. So at the same time, we use the balance board also to improve our balance. Kasi guys, siyempre, everything in life, balance is very important. Imagine how we will be if we are so much balanced. Like, yan. So, okay? Ready na ba kayo? Okay. So, we'll try this for at least 5 minutes. And then, I'm not sure if we will speed it up or not. But, syempre, one by one, for example, like that. Oh, and then 2. Oh, mali. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Syempre, balance din kailangan. Medyo mahirap kasi yung balance. And as you can see, dito na lang sa Wit Style channel makikita na may nagba-balance board and nagna-nunchucks at the same time. Okay, so anyway, I'm not sure if that's a first, but I'm sure that's a skill that you have to have. I mean, it's just a natural skill. So anyway, mali. Tumama. Buti na lang. Soft nunchucks to. But it's so effective pa rin. Okay, pagod na ako. Pag wider stance kasi mas medyo mahirap yata eh. Kasi you're much more inclined to bend your knees. So, as you can see guys, lahat naman ng ano natin is no script, no ano to. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung medyo mahirap at mabagal akong magsalita. Kasi, iisip ko pa habang ginagawa ko. So, next time, try natin mag-chat GPT ng mga script para mas maganda ang labas. Okay, but as of now, we'll try to as my kids call it, wing it. Wing it. Hirap pala talaga. Okay. And then the back view naman. Check out. Let's check out the back view. I haven't, ganda rin pala ng back view eh. Okay. Grabe, 4 minutes na. Okay, pagod na ako. 5 minutes. Okay. Even balancing. So welcome to the Wit Style channel.